Got a mystery box thing. I'm heading to the black market.
You're here to buy, I'm here to sell.
Oh. Got tracker and fast hands. Fast hands. Quick. Dang. Uh, 33, I think. Level, yeah, I'm level 33, prestige 1. I would be at least prestige 4. Oh yeah, yeah, you can level up pretty fast. Once you hit 55, that's when you can prestige. I hit 55 and I was at... Yeah, sometimes I try with other guns, but there's just some guns that I want to go back to, and others I will never want to go back to. Dang. Oh, World War II, it's fun, and if you get the best kill, you get the kill cam. So you can get like 6 kills, kind of. But this one, it's whoever gets the last kill. Yes, the game's about to start. Yo, I think we got a whole new set of people.
Hardcore team deathmatch.
Yup.
Lock and load.
Alright. Okay, I gotta slow down real quick because people like to spawn near the bus, and this is where I got the team kill. No! Again! Friendly fire. Because somebody's always in the way. Yeah, we wouldn't be losing if that teammate wasn't in the way. I'd have gotten at least 3 kills.
Hostile UAV spotted.
I'm in first place with 3 kills. Oh, spawn camp, whatever. I forgot what it's called. Spawn trap. Yeah, spawn kill. They got so many different ways to say it. I saw it. I seen him. Everybody's in the back. They're just all sitting there.
Be advised, hostile Cerberus inbound.
No, dang. I couldn't get back on the other side of the wall. Wait a second. No. I think it was me. I got killed. Yeah. No.
Hostile UAV above.
I can't find the Cerberus, and if I had the I think I have gravity spikes. Gravity spikes usually take it down. What the heck? Alright. I need FMJs. What the heck was that? Oh. I see. Okay, I got gravity spikes. I'm going for it. Going for the Cerberus. No, I think someone got the shutdown. Oh my, yes. Whoa, Tempest. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, alright. I know. I could not see where that person was from. Nah. Oh yeah. Oh, you did. Oh, orange house. Orange house. Someone's at the orange house. I'm saying people are. I'm saying that people are at the orange house because I died from people. Oh my god. Yeah, I see, because I just spawned at the orange house. What the heck? Okay, I know where they're at. They're in the orange house.
Be advised, hostile UAV incoming.
No. Oh. Melting dog just killed me. Oh, I see. I see. Alright, alright, alright. No, I seen the dude.
UAV inbound.
Oh no. Alright, I'm at the blue house right now. Yo, I just got 2 free kills.
Hostile UAV spotted.
That's me, that's me, that's me. You killed me. It's alright. Alright.
That's a 6-6
Oh yeah, you almost killed me. No, no, no. No.
Commit.
Oh my god. We are gonna lose. Yo. We are doing trash right now. Yo, somebody might be in this window. Yup. No, no, no. There's literally, I think somebody has a sniper because somebody's really sucking right now. Ah, couldn't get the Iron Jim.
Mission
Dang.
solo. Get out of my sight.
We're lost. Well, someone left. Oh, who died?
Mess with the best, die like the rest.
No, what'd I get? Oh, I got first place on our team. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more. This is King Clan. This is the Legendary King, and I'm out. Peace.